Hi, I'm Damon from Joy. I'm going to show you today how to remove your seat covers from the Joie I Spin 360. So of course happens to us all, but as and when they get dirty, of course we can warm soapy water in situ, but if needs be we can fully remove all the seat covers very quickly and easily. So if we have got the insert in any form, it's best to start off by lengthening your harness, and of course the insert itself will just feed straight out. So we can very quickly remove that for cleaning purposes. Removing the rest of the seat cover is also quite straightforward. I'll start off with by lengthening the headrest system, so we can lift that up really easily. If we need to remove this for cleaning, there are a couple of elastic pieces on the back of the seat itself. So on the very back here we'll see we've got the elastics. Undo both of those elastic pieces like so. As we do that then, we can simply feed it back forwards and downwards. As we get to the harness, we'll see we can just plop that round the harness system itself. We have got another elastic piece just up at the top there, so we can just feed our fingers around the back and pop that off the elastic at the top. Just there we go. Once that's removed, do the same on the opposite side, so just feed our fingers up. We can push on the elastic there to get that to pop off. So, okay, oops. I've done it myself now, but quite easy to do. Just getting your fingers there. Once that other elastic has been removed, the headrest system now will just pull on down and come off its lower plate. So we can just feed that straight down, so it's just that little pocket that goes over the plastic system there. Removing the seat cover is also quite straightforward. You'll see we've got a couple of press studs. So undo the two press studs to start with. That will allow us to get all the harness buckle system behind the seat itself. Then at the very front we just pull downwards that direction. We can unhook the tag there at the front. Do the same on the opposite side. And then as we start to lift this up, we can of course get the buckle out of its crotch pad, etc. Now what we'll see on the crotch buckle is it's quite tight around the housing, and that is of course to stop any dirt and dust getting down in there. But all we need to do is just simply pull in one direction, which will create a bit of a gap, like so, and allow us to feed that gradually around and off, taking the buckle itself out of the housing there. Removing it then is simple, just at the sides. Again, we've got exactly the same scenario here where it looks all complete, but we can simply just pull on the fabric to find the edge of the pocket and feed that around the actual housing itself. Repeat the same on the opposite side, so simply pull on that, feed that out, like so, and then we can pull straight up. So very quick and easy to remove those. Taking the shoulder pads off if we need to. We don't have to remove all the covers, so if there is a little bit of dirt on there, we can simply do that in situ. Unvelcro then once we've unpressed it and take that off for easy cleaning. Now the important thing is remembering that when we're placing these back on, we want to align the Velcro. So that is aligned, we don't want to have it halfway down or anything. These are designed so these will remain aligned fully as they go in and of course back into situ. So very quick and easy. Repeating the process, doesn't really matter whether you start with the headrest or the seat cover. Either way is exactly the same procedure, it's just a role reversal. So we'll start off here by popping the seat cover on. We'll take that over, making sure we're tucking the very back section behind the headrest. Tip that down, pull that into position. So we've now got the main carcass in place. Flip that seat around like so, and I would start with getting your side pockets back into place. So if we start with the flat bit at the back, we can simply prise that around, give it a slight movement to allow it to fit nice and flush. Same scenario for the other side, start with the back, pull it forwards, we can get that positioned and in there nice and quick and easy. Back then to the front, what I would start with here is getting your buckle into place. So start with by lifting the buckle itself, getting that under the loop on the crotch pad itself, so that's all in place. Then we can get that again round of its housing, so we can either do it from the front to the back, so pop the front bit on first and then tuck the back bit around like so, done. The rest of the cover then is quite straightforward, and we'll just lean round, get the pull strap through its aperture here, like so, and then at the very front we've got the little plastic tags that will pop into a little pocket on the underside, like so, and then it's simply a matter of getting our harness back in. So pop your harness out, like so, repressuring that into place. And that's all your seat cover done, just your headrest. So getting your headrest in, roll reversal, get the bottom pocket positioned on the flap to start with. So just get that out of here, pop the plastic into the pocket on the fabric and feed that up. Like so, as we get that going higher up there then, we can make sure that we've got the shoulder straps in the right place, and then look to get the headrest in before we do the elastics itself. So pop the headrest into position, pull it down at the back, get your top ones on first. So top ones are quite easy to find and locate, and that gets your pad all in the right position. Once we've done that, then it's a matter of getting those lower ones on here. So if we just bend the headrest in slightly, get your finger onto the actual elastic loop itself, you can feel up at the very back of the seat there to find the clip. Use your other hand to push it off your finger, so that's then clipped and into place there. We can do the same on the other side. So again, get the fabric loop, pull that up the back, locate that onto its connector at the back section. Like so. Once that's done, we're ready for the road. Of course, if we are using the insert, that will just simply place back into position. Dependent on the size of the child, we would then of course adjust the headrest back down to the relevant position, one of the 6. And there we go. Very quick and easy to maintain and utilise your I Spin 360 on a daily basis. Very quick to get it back into a new condition. Thank you.